Got some illumination here on the door sill. Quite a high step. Alright, so there's plenty of room. The driver's seat is in my point of view filming position, which means it's a little bit further back from the steering wheel, but otherwise this is quite roomy interior here. And since this is the top of the line version, we have some pretty unique stuff here. First off, the rear climate system, which means that there are a total of 3 climate zones in this vehicle. Since this is the top of the line version, we also have the heated rear seats, and really cool feature are the ventilated seats in the rear. So we are talking about some serious luxury here. We also have some charging outlets, a couple of USB-Cs and one cigarette style outlet. Some storage in the backrest of the front passengers. Neat ISOFIX covers. And a rather modest armrest. Overall, quite impressive, at least for the highest trim level. Sorry about the noise, but we also have the electric tailgate. Here we have the home style outlet. Here are some tools, and we cannot find the spare wheel here because it's hidden under the car right there. And we can also open the glass separately, which is quite convenient. Here's the camera for the digital rear view mirror. let's do a quick acceleration test, just for fun, just for giggles. So let's see how this diesel does. Let's put it to sport mode and hit it. Yeah, it gets there. But you know, it's a 2.8 liter 4-cylinder, which is a rare configuration, and especially rare in these days. I'm actually really surprised that we don't get the hybrid version in Europe. I mean the Baltics, Finland, Sweden area. So we still have this old school diesel, and even more, it doesn't have the start-stop system neither. Oh, and also let's talk a little bit about the driving characteristics. I have to say it's quite fun to drive, mostly because of the high seating position, so you can see quite far ahead. And yeah, it's better than I expected. There is body roll, but at least the ride is comfortable and it's not that bad. It still has some fun character in it. For the first time, the Land Cruiser has the electric power steering, and it suits the character of this car. So yeah, overall, when honing around, it's not as bad as I expected. Pretty fun actually. Although the engine is rather noisy, it's like quite literally a tractor, but the tire noise is very very low, and although I can hear some wind near the A-pillars, it's still really nicely managed. So overall, it's quite hard to tell when you're speeding. New Toyotas, R4, Yaris, Corolla Cross. Quite fast. It's like doing 100 kilometers an hour, it seems. Let's see. It's quite platforming. What you gonna do? But it gets the job done. There's decent enough of torque, but still I can feel it's like the old school engine. Hey, but at least it works. 500,000 kilometers on this thing. looks like nothing. DPF filter cleaning. Let's burn some diesel then.